Şarağıyla vehkilu.
Bitch tryna act like a Libra, I go to the gas, hello, I do not need her. Shorty got put to the ground and John go wonder if I ever seen her. Hold up, bitch, I'm a digger, give me brain like I was a teacher. I was in school, listen to teacher, you was a writer, I was a leader. I was like folk, knocking on doors, look for cash, look for what's it. Say they gon' spam, but niggas go ghosts, niggas is goofy and I like they owe. Next door runner, I'm giving them blow though, aim for the body, go straight to the dome and shot in your heart, cause shit wasn't chrome and niggas is goofy, don't know what I'm on. Hold up.
They don't know what I'm on, I slap a nigga for frontin' on me. Niggas can't really say nothing to me. A lot of niggas really ain't fucking with me. You ain't heard, yeah, we up the sun. Y'all niggas just up and coming. Shoot him to the back of it, I really think you frontin' like. Hold on. Make his brain split like spaghettios. You niggas bitch, y'all some petty hoes.
Big time, make his brain go. Empty the clip like a Django.
We gon' deuce her up like it's Bang Bros, and that be you niggas main hoes.
No shade, but you niggas my son. The chopper was high, we still made a run. Big act knock gon' go through his back and rip through his skin and come out his lung. Like Rellz strap. Remember the nigga who got put in the pack. Please get trapped. Ran my shooter and stay on his lap.
Look, we killin' shit like Red Hood, slide down on him in a black hood. We hitting licks, no Robin Hood. I take his bitch, I'm no good. If I wanna fuck, I'ma lay the wood. I take his bitch, I'm no good. If I wanna fuck, I'ma lay the wood. I rock a nigga like Will Smith, stop a nigga out like Lil Chris. We sending shots, not sending this. Let me see Red, who did the shit?
Smoking on the exotics only, niggas know that I'm a spin doggy. Obama runs, leave him in the trunk, shoot him in the face, now he facing front. Keep a strap on me and a pack on me. Chloe Herm, know I keep the Mac on me. Drink a Polish stream, make your bitch scream. She wet like water, now she wanna cream. Fly new travel, we making it happen. Niggas again get put in the caption. Your bitch salute me, she calling me captain.
I'm sick of niggas like Fortnite, I'm deleting niggas. Fuck respawning, that gon' keep a nigga. I just steal shit, we cheating niggas. It don't run it if you ever see them niggas. It's like with that night in a sheet of nigga, like a restaurant, it's gon' feast a nigga.
Niggas don't step in the party if you get hurt, I'm not saying sorry. My brother in clutch with the 40, we got 223s and shot like the army. Whole lot of bitches, they horny, better stay up that night so you make it the morning. I duff for niggas, they corny. To the odd niggas, there is no more warnings. If it really is smoke, come and find me, I'm on the radar, so you know I'm not hiding. Swear to God, if I'm lying, I'm flying. I got a thick bitch, she really a diamond. I fuck you up like a lion, I promise, but I'm an airfire sirens. We doing it, hit then you driving, this bullets infect you like you got a virus.
23 shots, I'm Jordan. Niggas be lacking, niggas be snoring, niggas respect me. I am no warden, I'm almighty. I feel like Zeus. In my head, I got some screws loose. Shake it, let's have it to brawl. Hitting my brothers, making a call. Load up, we finna break in that house. Real quiet, yeah, we sound like a mouse. Mistake times, now I'm feeling shiesty. Get out of line, see me, I'm getting feisty. Backdoor me, I let niggas try. I don't fear shit, I wanna die. Effing catching niggas, bullets fly. Think I'm a nerd, you gon' get hurt. Shot your crib, then we did a skirt. Real shit, fight your fam in the dirt. Real shit, my thoughts, dirt.
Honxho, man, you know what the fuck going on. ADot on this bitch, man, ADot all the guys. It's Rellz.